I used to think that marketing is just about advertising. Later, I slowly got to understand that marketing encompasses a wide range of activities, including market research, product development, pricing, distribution, and customer service. Ganyan pala kalawak ang trabaho ng isang marketer. At dahil maliit lang ang business ko at hindi ko pa afford na mag-hire ng full-time marketer, ako ang naging marketer sa amin. Pero dahil hindi naman ako graduate ng business course, ang buong akala ko is that basta may ads lang, okay na ang marketing ko. But after attending the marketing training of Professor Andy Ferreria of Ateneo de Manila School of Entrepreneurship many years ago, I learned about the many aspects ng marketing na dapat ko palang bigyan ng pansin. Natutunan kong alamin kung sino ang customer ko at ano ang needs, wants, and preferences nila. And knowing them, kailangan kong pagandahin ang products ko based on what I learned about them, mag-isip ng tamang presyo na acceptable para sa kanya, and magbigay ng klase ng customer service na gusto niya. Lahat yan sakop ng marketing. At alamin natin itong lahat. And let's be business-minded, Pinoy.